walking through some of these walls. Like Jesus. Like Jesus.
Well, the walls will be slightly transparent. Those frickin' spiders,
No.
they crawl on you.
Why are there all these spiders around Hogwarts?
Oh, I get it, yeah.
It's not like it's part of the... I could put that Lumos thing. It's really sad that I didn't get to see what that Lumos thing was. Then this is a puzzle. I figured it out. I knew it. Not even hard. Another scourge down there. Before I make the jump. Air shot. I'm just making my way downtown right now. I am in my zone. I'm in the zone. Did I go this way, right? Oh man, these things are hard. Oh man.
Well, they aren't. You just hit them and that's it.
I don't know why they don't pursue you. Okay.
They can't move.
They can move? I feel like they can move though.
I feel like they're plants, so they can't move. They can't move, Matt.
Okay. Making my way downtown. Accidentally got that secret. Oh man. Just gonna... No, I'm... There we go. I get 3 scars. What up? One of these scars is on my dick.
That's
From your
hilarious.
mama. From your mama.
That means she bit you or something.
That...
Say words, Matt.
I will. Just doing this so easy. I could speedrun this game, no problem. What do you want?
Well, there you go.
Oh, I feel like this makes everything easier. That's the... What? That's nifty! Oh no, it's gonna drop us. Let's go, nerd. Wanna go, big boy?
Just hit it.
I'll waste a lot of time walking over here. Wanted to play chicken with the snail, but apparently that's too good for that.
Play chicken with the snail.
Oh my god, what could be in there? Didn't know. That was a really well done crack. Is that supposed to be a crack?
Just keep going.
Get these beans.
Oh, where's the other?
600 points. I mean beans.
Where'd the other snail go?
Oh no, apparently there was supposed Maybe it'll... Oh my god. Okay, everybody just calm down. Everybody just calm down.
Don't touch them, they're evil.
This guy is too close. That was close. Sorry about
How do you
that.
get out of here?
And you knock one in there. And you knock one in there. Then you knock one in there. And you knock one in there. And then you knock one in there. And you knock one in there. And then you knock one in there.
Stop.
Oh my god, it's waking up. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. Making the jump.
You don't even have to jump.
Okay. Determined to get to that secret room. The snails are pretty intense here.
But they were.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Or you could just get that.
No, I need the beans and the frog. Get the frog. I forgot a bean. Going back. Did I get all the time stars? I feel like I got all the time stars. Okay. Let's just get the star. Oh! Tried to pull a fast one on me.
More beans, because you need more.
Oh. Oh, they tried to pull a fast one on me. Trying to steal me out of my collectibles, I see.
Those pots.
Those pots didn't have anything in it.
And you missed a bean.
That's because it was in the star. I missed 2 time stars, damn it. bagel.
Can I sit down now?
Oh, that's the Death Dough challenge. This is a thing we couldn't get. I don't know what this. To this day, I don't know where this Lumos goes.
Stop! You need things!
I feel like the Lumos did something up here. I have a theory as to what this Lumos. Oh, okay.
Harry, come on, you told me
It's like something up there.
Skin out in the greenhouse. Follow me, Harry.
Not yet. Can I go? Can I go? Can I go? Can I play a video game?
Just trade for some things. Who's selling cards?